So let us start with the first writ, which is habeas corpus. It says a writ of habeas corpus means that the court orders that the arrested person should be presented before it. It can also order to set free an arrested person if the manner of the ground of arrest are not lawful or satisfactory. So you all know that, or even if you don't know, you will now get to know that whenever any person is arrested, okay, he or she needs to be produced to the court, that is to the magistrate, within 24 hours of arrest. Now for example, if somebody is arrested, okay, and they are not produced in front of the court to the magistrate within that 24 hours, you can file a writ petition of habeas corpus stating that our person or my neighbors or are known or any other, that the habeas corpus has not been followed, and according to this habeas corpus writ, we want to know, because petition is a formal request, so we want to know why is our person not presented before the court in front of the magistrate within 24 hours. Also, it states that it can also order to set free an arrested person if the manner of the grounds of arrest are not lawful or satisfactory. Now you have certain criteria. Our constitution is a very detailed constitution, so there are certain criteria while arresting. Okay, so if any of those criteria is not followed while an arrest, like where you must have heard this, or I would rather ask you to do this, or have this search work or have this inquisitiveness within yourself. I want to know, or you can personally text me, what is the time when women's in India during a whole 24 hours, they cannot be arrested after that time or within that time period. So this is your question to search. Okay, so this is one criteria to arrest. So if for example अरेस्ट करते समय जब सर्टेन क्राइटेरियाज को इग्नोर किया गया, या वो फेयर मैनर में अरेस्ट नहीं किया गया, या अनलॉफुली अरेस्ट किया गया जो कि सेटिस्फैक्ट्री नहीं है, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन put a writ petition in the court under which kind of writ? Habeas corpus, stating that we want to know that since this arrest is not lawful, so we want to know the inquiry regarding it. Okay, so this is all about habeas corpus. Remember, 24 hours, a person after arrest has to be produced to the court, that is to the magistrate, within 24 hours of arrest. In case if that does not take place, or the arrest period to produce a person in front of the court or magistrate is longer, so you can definitely file a writ petition, and then the court will give orders to government to have a inquiry into that.